The lead magnet you're using for YouTube is probably broken. And that's okay because you're here today. Let's go ahead and fix that. I'm Jamar Diggs, and I help online business owners get quality leads with YouTube without launching or fighting the social media algorithms. By the end of this video, you're going to know why your lead magnet may not be working, and you'll learn the approach that we teach our clients to take with their call to actions that allows them to get more leads each and every day with their YouTube videos. I am so passionate about this topic. Out of all the times that we have worked with our clients in the agency, they always do this thing wrong, and it costs them so much money. So that is why this video is the second video in the costly YouTube strategy mistakes that business owners make. The lead magnet is just, oh my gosh, you are in the right place right now. If you are just watching this video for the first time and you're new to like my thing, I did a video previously all about how to script your YouTube videos and the mistakes that people make in their scripting process. So watch that one as well. Let's get into the lead magnet mistakes, and so that you can start generating some really good lead magnet ideas that are going to help you attract high quality people into your sales funnel. The first mistake that people make with their lead magnets is that it's so specific. It is actually too specific. Some business owners have so many lead magnets, but I am team quality over quantity, okay? Because one, when it comes to YouTube, your lead magnet, you really only need one. YouTube is already a daunting task for business owners. I don't want to add on another one for you to have another lead magnet that makes you have to make a new email sequence and another sales funnel just for that one lead magnet checklist. And most times you're not going to get the same quality of people in that lead magnet that you really want anyway. I want your lead magnet to be something that you can use across all of the majority of, well, either all or the majority of your YouTube videos. That way you're not scrambling trying to find a new quality call to action and you feel like you have to make something completely new in order to capture new website traffic, right? Like that happens all the time. I don't want that to happen to you. Here's what I want you to do. Take a look at all the lead magnets that you have and which ones actually are getting you leads. Which one is actually something that people are opting into, okay? Because honestly, when it comes to YouTube, we don't need a random checklist, okay? And the quality of the lead is probably not that good when you just have all these little freebies, free PDFs or whatever. Think of your YouTube channel as the main lead magnet. That's the free stuff that they get all the time, right? We only need one lead magnet to get them into our sales system, and then our sales systems will do the other selling, okay? This takes me to the second point in your lead magnet development. I want you to base your lead magnet around your frameworks and your unique perspective. This makes it super easy for your lead magnet to tie into your offers as well. It makes it easier for you to sell to that person down the road because they already know your unique perspective. I teach this whole process of how your YouTube content strategy and your lead magnet strategy should all be focused around your offers and your methodologies and your frameworks. I teach that in so much more detail in my course, Ready to Rank. You can go ahead and grab that in the description box down below. But it is the easiest way to get a high quality lead, and you are able to convert them so much faster if you do it this way. Just think about it for a second. If your videos are focused around your frameworks, and then your lead magnet digs into that framework, presents to them your unique ways of thinking and methodology, this lead is already sold on what you do and how you help people. Now it's just up to you to make the offer, and the only thing that matters right now is when is the right time for them to start, right? You've already sold them on why working with you is the best thing to do. They wouldn't be on the list if they didn't care to hear more about your unique perspectives or your unique frameworks. The name of the game when it comes to this process is just timing, right? It all just comes down to, is now the right time for them to work with you? So you just need to stay top of mind in the email funnels, in your sales system. These people are already quality people. They already have the pain points that your offers solve, right? Versus you using some type of checklist, an ebook or something that is just solving just like one mini thing. Use your actual lead magnet to talk about your framework, your unique way of thinking. That way, when you have a sales call, you're not trying to sell them on your way, your process. They already know the process, girl, right? They already know how you separate yourself from other coaches, from other consultants, from other service providers. They just need to figure out if it's in their budget and when is the time to do it. It's just the best strategy ever. So now let's talk about a few ideas that will help you get a really good lead magnet that is going to attract some problem-aware people and give you more quality leads into your sales system. And the first thing that I like is a free training. Okay, I love a nice free training, whether it's live or recorded. I really like the recorded ones for YouTube just because it's just easier, because you never know where your traffic is coming from, especially if you use the strategies that we talk about. You're going to be getting people into your sales systems every single day. So a live training may not be the easiest way for you to convert them, because they could be in a different time zone. You don't know when they're coming in. I love a nice free recorded training that is talking about your strategies, your unique perspectives, also solving that problem for them, but they're getting insight around your unique way of thinking. So that free training is literally nurturing them even more, getting them up on your side of thinking, why your way of thinking is more beneficial than other people's way of thinking that they may be in contact with. The next lead magnet idea is a quiz, right? Like a quiz is so easy to segment people based upon their answers. You also are able to give them results that also relate to your frameworks, right? So you're asking them questions as they relate to your frameworks. Also, maybe some demographic information, some characteristics that they can answer for you. And so you're getting like really two things in one, right? So one, you're getting more information about that person, but then you're also able to talk more, to give them results that relate to your frameworks, to your unique way of thinking, to the unique steps that you take whenever you work with clients one-to-one. It's a win-win, really, because then you're able to segment and send them more specific emails at the end of the day too. So the quiz is so great. The next and final way that I love having lead magnets is the private podcast. So the private podcast is so great because now you have your YouTube videos getting the people who have no idea who you are. They are problem aware. They're trying to see a solution to their problems. And the YouTube video now is answering that problem. But if they want to dig deeper and learn more about your stuff, they're able to do that in a private podcast. You get them up onto your email list, and now you're able to still nurture them. And then they're able to binge listen to your private podcast while they're doing other stuff. You have the benefit of both podcasting and your YouTube strategy. The private podcast strategy is so cool. I really, really love it. I think it's so great, especially when you pair it with other email marketing strategies as well. Those are the three lead magnet types that I really, really do love whenever it comes to YouTube. And if this got you thinking a little bit more strategically around adding more quality call to actions to your YouTube videos, then I'm so happy. This is just one of the few steps that you need to consider when you are creating a whole YouTube marketing strategy for your business. And so what I want you to do now is to take my free YouTube strategy training, where you're going to learn all of the steps that you need to take into developing a really good and converting YouTube content strategy so that you can start generating problem-aware leads and get more people into your email list, just like our clients are able to do. The link to that is going to be in the video description, and I can't wait to see y'all join it and send me all these messages about how it blew your mind, okay? If you like this video, please let me know by subscribing to this channel and giving this video a like. And let's go ahead and continue this conversation in the comments. Tell me a little bit more about your expertise and what is your lead magnet idea. I cannot wait to read all of the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.